Sometimes when life gets the best of you and you start to just get overwhelmed with what's going on in your personal life, and then us moving in here to help Mom out, you forget about those maintenance things that need to be kept up, and you get caught. And it was frustrating for me because I moved back here to take care of my mom and I wasn't doing it. So for me, that was...
Don't cry, Julie.
Well, that was a bit of a problem for me. I think now it's not just, the detector that went off. It's a matter of keeping your priorities where they should be and not letting things go by just because you're too busy. Everybody has so many circumstances that get in the way, and you can't let it interfere with how you have to respond, because you might not be as lucky, and it may be more serious, and you might not wake up the next morning when you go to bed. So you need to respond to the detector when it goes beep.